Alright, dude, this is gonna be intense, dude. So we got Karua with Crimson Garuda, and we also got Tinka with Samurai Saber, and we're gonna switch it up a bit for this. Saw Kimbo going with these two, so yeah, that's what we're going with. So yeah, so Lightning L-DRAGO prototype, of course, you know, the remake for it, of course, and then we also got Chrome with Cobalt Drake. Yeah, Cobalt Drake for it, dude. So yeah, dude, so it's gonna be intense. So we're gonna start off with Crimson Garuda and start off with Cobalt Drake for it. So yeah. Alright, here we go. So yeah, man, here we go. Boom. And boom. And oh wait, no way. Okay. Cobalt Drake. Alright, getting that knockout. And it takes it again. Wow. Alright, that's 3. And Cobalt Drake. Okay. Yeah, like I said, this might be a little fast paced, but it's fine. Alright, next up, Lightning L-DRAGO. So the Dragon Emperor up in here, dude. This is gonna be intense. And it takes it. Wow. Okay, it takes it. Alright, that's 1. Boom. And boom. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that hit, man. And freaking Lightning L-DRAGO. Alright. That's 2. And ooh, and again, man. But that comes out to a draw. Alright, here we go. Boom. And boom. Alright. And it's like Lightning L-DRAGO takes it with that. Alright. That is 3. And it makes it 4. Alright, so yeah, so Chrome and Ryuga taking the win over Karua. But now we got Tinka up in here, man. So Cobalt Drake. Let's do this, man. Alright, boom. Boom. Here we go. And Karua takes it. Alright, that's 1. I mean, yeah, Tinka. And yeah, Tinka takes it. Alright, that's 2. And boom. Alright, Tinka has 2 points with it now. And that makes it 3. Alright. And boom. Now Samurai Flash. And Samurai does take it. Alright. Last but not least, we got the Dragon Emperor. Alright. Boom. And boom. So, man, Kimbo's just spread out so much, man. Alright, that's 1. Boom. And boom. And is that 2? I think that's 2. Alright, boom. And boom. Alright, man, I'll drag out. And that's 2 to 1. Alright, boom. Ooh, that hit, man. And no way, dude. And Samurai takes it. Alright, 2-2. Alright, the movement for it, man. It's just trying to dodge. And it makes it 3. Yo, this is intense. Shows, man. They both have some good stamina. Sure do. It's gonna matter who takes it. Wait, is that it? I think that's 3-3. Ties up 3-3. Alright. Well, this is it. It's 1 out of the 2. Gonna take it. And Tinka takes it, man. So overall, dude. Well, that was pretty intense, man. Pretty fast paced with it, man. Yeah, dude.